train to Zurich is coming, so it will take almost an hour to reach Zurich. You can see Zurich after Bahnhof. This is IR 13. IR means interregion, but it's again same double-decker train, excellent IC train, but it's not IC. IC means intercity. It's fast, less stops, but it's IR, more stops compared to IC. But this is my favorite train. I have taken to go to Zurich. This is upper deck. Always prefer. Suburbs of Zurich. This is the last stop before Zurich main station. Zurich main station is coming after Bahnhof. I have arrived in Zurich and it is now at 6:52 p.m. So almost like spent in the trains like 6 to 7 hours. So now I have to want to go to Zurich main street, spend some time and then go to my hostel because Zurich main street is excellent.
Interregio 16 nach Wagen, Fahrrad, Bern, Abfahrt 19:06, Gleis 14. Interregio 37 nach Lenzburg.
This is the IC train, intercity train coming from Passau or St. Gallen. So this is platform 8 in Zurich main station. Train, only restaurant, bar, so nothing else. I don't know where it is going because it is not displayed anything. So this is an old vintage train, but only restaurant and bar. After 6 hours, the trains, excellent digital boards in Zurich main station. Now it is 6:55 p.m. I have to take S4. So now S4 is 6:58, but I will go later train because I want to spend some time in High Street. I tram and go whole city. Sorry. So this is tram number 10 going to Zurich Flughafen. That means Zurich Airport. So I take next tram, which is number 4. So normally I used to take this in the year 2004 when I came to Switzerland first time. So So it goes to Old City. So I take that and I go 5-6 stops and I will come back here. Then I take my luggage from the locker and I go to my hostel. So this is my plan for now. So next Banff North is coming, 2 minutes. This is the main tram stop, tram station in front of Zurich station, Zurich main station. So that is Zurich the main station, you can see from outside. That is Zurich main station. Very important and very old, excellent building. You can see time now 7 p.m. Sorry. So it is BBCFF. That means Federal Railways. That is written in 3 languages: German, French and Italian. So this is the main building. So I am just now waiting for tram 4. I hope it is not going. So this is the main area in Zurich city. So this is the important, very important business like shops, supermarkets, mainly shopping area. Excellent. So you can see all tram, like tram number 6, tram number 17, tram number 7 going different places. 6 is going to zoo. So 17 and taking this tram number 4, I will go 5-6 stops to explore Old City and then I come back. This is tram number 4. So I no need for ticket because I have a pass. So pass is valid in even the trams, buses, ferries, everywhere. So this is almost empty. Tram 4, number 4.
Bahnhofsgate, Hauptbahnhof, Main Station.
This is the first station I used in the year 2004 when I first came to Switzerland. I have landed in Zurich and I took a tram from here to go to my hotel. This is Zurich main station, Hauptbahnhof it's called, main train station. So you can see several tram lines connecting here, number 3. It's very neat, see, excellent maintenance of trams. We can't see even a single dust spot on the windows. That is tram number 17. This is tram number 13. All blue color. We are waiting at the signal. I think it is better to walk. It's busy now.
Siegel, Hauptbahnhof, Main Station.
This is Zurich bus station. We can see Flixbus, all private buses. See, it is very quiet compared to train station. Trains are hundreds in number. Buses are very less. It is looking like a small town's bus station, not Zurich bus station. So we can also see the timings here, digital display. So this, okay, all going out of country also. Zurich Airport, Flixbus, Hamburg, Germany, Budapest, Hungary, Munich, Paris, Berlin, but all Flixbus. Dortmund, Zagreb, so all going to different countries, France. So this is again tram 4 to go back to Bahnhof Platz, like main train station. I don't want to spend too much time in Zurich because I have to go to hotel and tomorrow I have to go to Zermatt, number 4 place. Got down from this tram here is Bahnhof. So this is the main train station in Zurich. Excellent building towards main business district or shopping area, because this is very important in Zurich. So I am just crossing the tram line. So trams are slow and they stop for people. This is pedestrian crossing. So So this is very important area in Zurich for shopping. I just walk for some time, few minutes, and then I come back. If I find any Indian restaurant or any Subway, I will have my dinner here. So my hostel is bit maybe far from here, so I don't know whether I can get good restaurants there or not. I'm not sure.
बेटे सारा दिन घूमते तेरे को घुमा रहे हैं हमको गाइड नहीं है तो हमें पता नहीं कहाँ है।
This is the main important area in Zurich as far as shopping is concerned. Expensive area, very important. I can't find any restaurants, not even Subway. So it's all shops, all excellent high street shops. I can see tram 13, beautiful tram with blue color and clean windows. Straße, Schweizergasse, so it's all street names. See the beautiful garden here. So statue garden, and people are just sitting and relaxing in the evening, in the night. So all shops, high street brands. There is one more street. So different streets have different names. Excellent. Tram 17 is going in opposite direction. Beautiful tram. You can see this is Asterstrasse. So one more street, Asterstrasse. So it is looking like a Sanskrit name. All these names. And this is main street, main road. And this is one more road. You can see 21 tram going this way. I can't find any restaurants here. You can see beautiful Swiss flag. People going to different shops or maybe coming from offices. So this is Zurich main street, Bahnhofstrasse. Bahnhofstrasse means station street. So you can see straight his station, and you can also see tram number 7 and tram number 17 coming this way. Tram number 7 is going to something pads. I can't read from here. Oh, Holy Chauffeur Platz. So that is the area it is going. See the beautiful decoration of shops. At least we can spend one day. I wish I could spend one day in Zurich, but I'm only spending like 7 days in total in Switzerland. So Zurich is a city, so I'm just visiting scenic places, beautiful villages, mountains. So Zurich I have visited like long back in 2004. I have stayed here for 3-4 nights. So but not this time, maybe next time. So Zurich maybe 1 or 2 days, Geneva, but again we have to spend like 15-20 days if we want to do that in Switzerland. It is very expensive. One more tram is coming, 6. So this area is totally trams or suburban S-Bahn. Here suburban trains are called S-Bahn. I have to take S4 now. So S4 is a route I have to take to go to my hostel. Outside images. So just they are dining outside under the umbrellas. I am going towards Bahnhof station and I have to take my luggage. I have put my luggage around suitcase around 12:20 p.m. So Now I have to take out. I have paid 7 francs. I hope that is enough for almost like 8-9 hours. I will see. So first I have to go, so I can take the subway to go to Manaf station. This is a subway, so no need to cross it.